Hello and welcome back to the my project update progress thing. So today I spent a lot of time being really frustrated because there's something related to attacking wasn't working. It turns out there was really all right. So a few weeks ago, maybe a month or two ago, I changed my attack or in my not my attack my animation system so that it used both the animation tree and the animation player at the same time. And I discovered today that while this works visually, it doesn't apply to like collision objects that are on the player. So like whenever I like swung the sword, hold on, let me show you. The he visually swings the sword, but the collision for the sword, not the sword, the dagger remains in exactly the same spot by his hip. So like he visually swings the sword, but then if you want to actually hit the enemy, he has to basically be on top of the enemy and wherever his arm it was didn't really count for anything. I fixed that though. I made it so that okay, so this is really kind of a stupid fix, but what I did was I made it so that all right, so I have this is a script that I have on the animation tree. I made it so that whenever the animation player is playing, the act the or I made it so that the whether the animation tree is active is based on whether wait, sorry, here's a better way of wording this. It's active whenever the animation tree is active whenever the animation player is not playing an animation, and otherwise it is on. Basically, active equals not animation player is playing. Really stupid, but that literally solved the problem. So yeah, now the collision for the attacking with the dagger matches up with the position of the dagger. I feel like I shouldn't have had to do that, but you know, it is what it is. It worked. And yeah. So anyways, what else did I say? I fixed some little things regarding um quest flags that probably aren't really noteworthy. That had to do with this character again. And then I moved on to this level, Deep Woods. I fixed some interactions involving one of the so you know the NPC in the previous videos that you follow through in the river passage level. He leads you here, and then you continue to follow him. And I fixed some interactions involving him, and when I then I approached this enemy and tried to attack it, and that was when I discovered that attacking wasn't working. And then I went and fixed that. Spent an hour on that today. I feel like it felt like a waste, but you know, I got it done. That's the important thing. And then I continued, and then I got this cutscene here working again. And then I decided to just quit for the day because at that point, it had already been about probably more than 2 hours of work. I usually only work for about an hour, but I really wanted to get a bit more done today. All right, so I'll show you how this level plays out so far in this during this quest. All right, so there's the NPC from before. And once again, if you try to go the wrong way, he will stop you. Careful, there's a monster head. And then here's the monster. I made it so that you can't go past it. You have to attack it. Ah. And it dies in 3 hits. He compliments you on your fine work. And then he continues to lead you to the next area, and then that's where the cutscene plays. Oh, why did he stop? There must be some sort of logic error in my pathfinding code. Oh, there's some animation problems there. Oh, that took a long time. I thought the game like, well, it didn't crash, but yeah, I thought the fade-in system wasn't gonna happen, but yeah, apparently just took a few seconds. All right, so this level is clearly bugged. What's supposed to happen is as soon as you spawn in, it's supposed to play another cutscene where that chief character cut NPC and the other dude will like gather on this table, and then that will prompt you to approach the table and begin another cutscene. All right, I think that's probably good for today. See you next time. See you later. Bye bye.